Adele, we got moose. Moose. Hi, moose. Good morning. There's another one hiding in the weeds you can't see. A bigger one. It's like a young one and a little bit bigger one. There's the other one. Oh, it's got small horns. Not horns, whatever you call it, antlers. Oh, he's so pretty. We're way up here. Look at him sniffing. Oh, it's coming up to the road. Oh, it's a young one.
There's one back there.
Yeah. I think we'll have a little bit of a view on this one. Should be okay. Oh!
Excuse me, right. No, you're not going to. That's why you're in this way, so you don't go outside.
That's a big pine tree. Look at the size of the base of that. Alright, we're watching out for wildlife. We are on the edge of Medicine Bow Medicine Bow National Forest. And there we are up there. We got another nice free spot. Not busy back here. We are on the Wyoming side of the National Forest. Southern Wyoming still. And we're hiding out up here. It's supposed to be warm for a couple days and then, get back to the low 70s and 60s and stuff. So, only saw one other camper, but a few other people just driving and stuff up here, but not busy. The road's up there somewhere. We had not too bad of a road. And there we are there. Tried to level it up a little bit downhill. I think if I pulled around more, I could get a little bit more level. But a little bit of a view. Our favorite, the Bob Ross skinny trees are out there. And looks like lots of wildflowers blooming. It's crazy. We've seen some of these varieties of flowers blooming like since the spring because of how we've traveled. We saw We saw some of the flowers starting to bloom in California, and then we've seen them blooming in other locations all summer long. I think these little single white ones were kind of what we saw in other locations too. And look at the sunset we have this evening. Wow, it is on fire. We are way up here on the mountain. I looked at the altimeter and we are almost at 8,700 feet in elevation. And we're having a nice sunset. Looks like it's on fire. Good morning from beautiful Medicine Bow National Forest in southern Wyoming. We had another nice day yesterday, a little bit of clouds, a few sprinkles, and looks like we're going to have an overcast day today. It's a little bit chilly this morning, mid-50s, but it's still supposed to warm up if the sun comes out. We were lucky to get high enough in elevation to get internet, so I was able to get a little bit of work done, and I'm sure you guys are glad for that. There were several spots available at the very beginning, and I didn't take those. I kept watching my phone until we got higher and had internet. There's a few people out here. It's not crowded, though. Didn't have issues with giant amounts of bugs. Few mosquitoes, but nothing abnormal like some of the other locations. So, wanted to give you a little bit of an update. Adele and I have been talking, and we have to end our trip soon, our adventure soon for temporarily. We need to be in the Midwest in Missouri in October and the beginning of November, and then at Thanksgiving time, the end of November, we need to be up by Lake Michigan. Not going up to Lake Michigan because the weather is going to be great at that time of year. It's going to be strictly to visit friends and family. It's what we do every year at this time. So I have two grandmas left. One's 101, one's 89. Need to make sure we both see them every single holiday. So, or every single Thanksgiving. So we will be all the way up there, coming back through Missouri in December, and we are still planning our winter trip, our winter adventure, what we're going to do for in the winter. We have some different ideas we're thinking about, and all the planning is still in the works. So it is time to move a little bit quicker. We're going to be getting supplies, trying to buy a whole bunch of groceries in one of the last big grocery stores that we have, and then we're going to be making quick time across the plains, across the plains and into the Midwest, and got to do some work, and we're going to have a little bit of fun and adventure back at home, back at our home base for a little while, but yep. It's time to head across the country real fast. And as always, thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already.